are uploading videos on YouTube by simply clicking your videos, adding a title and clicking publish. You might be leaving a lot of clicks and views on the table, because uploading your video is not just about putting your video on YouTube. There are several important things you can optimize before you publish: your title, your description, your audience setting, your visibility, subtitles, end screen, cards, and other important settings. Today I am going to show you how the right way to upload your video to YouTube step by step from my screen, so that you can follow along even if you are an absolute beginner. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Victoria, and on this channel I teach you how to use YouTube, grow your channel, and eventually turn your skills into income. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on something very simple. Your upload gives you the opportunity to prepare your video for views and click rate before YouTube makes it public. This is my channel, right? My big channel. So first and foremost, your video must have been prepared, your description, your title, and everything before you upload. You think of uploading your video, just as we have discussed. So now you come right there to this plus button. I don't know why my phone is doing like this. And you click upload. You tap on the arrow button. It takes you to your gallery. Depending on the phone you are using, I'm using a Samsung. Let's say this is the video I am working on, and I'm just going to say done. You can see that details has opened. Now this is where you put your title. Let me see how to upload your video the right way, step by step. That's done. So you come down to the description. So if I don't want to stress my head, you just come down to your ChatGPT. Already working on this video, so I and ChatGPT always co-create. So right now I'm just going to tell him to give me a SEO description for the content we are co-creating. Look at my screen, look at it. Everything I have been saying to you guys is right here on my screen. So I'm just going to say, please give me a SEO, that is search engine optimization description, and voila, here we have it. See that ChatGPT just gave it to me. So I'm just going to copy it and put. See guys, my description is already rich. You see the title. In this video you will learn, everything is there. So now the thumbnail. Remember, you must have gotten your thumbnail already before you start creating your content. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose any image as my thumbnail. It's supposed to have a valid, a already planned click-worthy thumbnail like we discussed earlier. So I'm going to choose this one. You guys, look at that. The thumbnail has been uploaded. Look at it. It's not a worthy thumbnail. This is not even a video. This is for learning purposes. You guys, look at that. The thumbnail has been uploaded. So now look at this side where they say add your video to one or more playlists or organize your content for viewers. Now for instance, if you are in a storytelling niche where you have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 of... Let me finish my video. Okay. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1, part 2, part 3 of a particular movie. So now instead of just randomly posting your video on your uploading your video on your YouTube page, you put all of them on this playlist, part 1, part 2, so that when your viewers are watching when part 1 is finished, immediately they are not asking for your viewers permission, part 2 is playing. That is the essence of creating a playlist. So quickly I will just create a playlist, a new playlist. Now this is how to create it. You add your title. So for here now, I'll just say AI skills, right? And I'll come here. This is, I'm just giving a simple description. This is a playlist. Leave the other this though. Playlists dedicated. You want ice cream? Don't worry about your ice cream. For everything AI. So now this is my description: private, public, private, or unlisted. So you choose. So basically we have created a playlist. So if you notice, we now have AI skills. Before we only had AI tips, skills, growth, and growth app, right? So I do not want any of this video to be in any. The next question is this made for kids? Yes, it is made for kids. No, it is not made for kids. So definitely no, it is not made for kids. This helps you to YouTube to, push your channel to adults and not kids, basically. So age restriction. So the next thing up is video element. So video element, this part is the subtitle. So if you have maybe doing an explainer video which you need a subtitle that you already have somewhere, you can upload it here. You can add it here.
I'm making video.
Yes, so this is the part where you can add it. Now for end screen. Now end screen, we are going to, what end screen does basically is it encourages a person who just finished a particular video to watch your next video. So by the time your video is ending, by the top right or left of your screen, the next video end screen is going to the thumbnail of your next video is going to be showing around your screen. So it promotes related content at the end of this video. That is what end screen does. So checks, as you can see for checks already, it says we will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your videos. So right there, my old video is on check. So YouTube is probably checking. YouTube right now is already checking the videos. See what they said: no issue found. So if there's issue with your video, there's any copyright issues, maybe you use somebody else's content and it's really showing, it is detected, they are going to tell you that issue, so issue is found. And sometimes it doesn't really show immediately, it was later. You now have information from YouTube telling you that stop it. Information from YouTube telling you that
I'm making video.
Yes, stop talking when I'm making video. So you now see information where you now get the information from YouTube later that you have an issue with your video. Otherwise, most times they send it to you immediately. So in this video they said no issue found. So we are going to go next to visibility. So visibility: private, unlisted, and public. So this is where if you want your video to go public immediately, you press it. If you want it private, you press it. If you want it unlisted, you press it. If you want to schedule, now you might want to post this video but you're like, oh, it's late. Maybe some people have specific time where their video performs better, when some people just post anytime. To be honest, for me, I really don't believe in timing. I just believe when your video is available, you post it. I really don't know which work yet because I'm a beginner as well. But if you want to, if for instance I'm done making this video and I want to post it tomorrow morning by 6 o'clock. That's when I'll come to this schedule place. As you can see, we have the time, the day,
now.
the day, the time zone and everything. So you just click basically and schedule your video. So if you're not scheduling your video, you are mostly likely to press private. Private is only you and people who you choose can watch your video. That's private. So now if I want private now, I'll just go put my videos on private and only me will watch it. Because what is the meaning of that? People do that. So unlisted, anyone with the video link, you have to send the link to the person before they can watch this video. Now public, everyone can watch your video. It is air on public. Anybody on YouTube can watch your video, and this is the one that it is most advisable for everyone, because the goal here is to make people watch your videos. Do you understand? So I've explained scheduling. So guys, that's basically it. So that's basically how to upload your video. Don't just press publish and leave. So if you look at the right corner of the screen, you see scheduled. So remember, our video was scheduled. So all you need to do is to type that schedule and your video will be published on YouTube. But if you did not schedule your video, this black button is going to be showing publish, and you're also going to press publish and your video is going to show on YouTube. Follow along guys, because in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to create thumbnail using AI, how to create click-worthy thumbnail using AI. I'm going to also show you how to use your end screen and your end card. I am also going to show you how to do a lot of things. So just follow along and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.